nice and well. So today is day 6 of the Daily Arithmetic Challenge. Okay, so here are your first 6 questions to have a go at. Skip over onto the next when you're done, and then once you've done all 10, we'll go through the answers together. Okay guys, right, time to go through the answers. Right, okay, so looking at question number 1, what is 20% of 1,200? So the first thing I would do here is find 10% by dividing my answer by 10. So instead of it being 1,200, it would be 120. And once I found 10%, multiply that by 2, because that would give me 20%, which would give me the answer of 240. Moving on to the next one, we've got 645 divided by 43. So what I would do for this one is write out all of the multiples of 43. Again, I usually recommend that my year 6s go up to around about 5 times that number. You can always go back and add more on if you need to later on. So as you can see, I've done that. I've then looked at how many 43s go to 6. Well, I can't do that without going into really tiny pieces. So we move the 6 across to 64. How many 43s into 64? So it will go in 1 time, but I need to find out how much I've got remaining. So at the side you can see I've done 64 subtract 43 is 21. I've carried the 21 across that I had left over to make it 215 because it's a place value smaller, and I can see that 43 goes into 215 exactly 5 times. The next question, 0.5 times 28. It really is just asking you to find half of that number. If you imagine 1 times 28 would be 28, and 0.5 is half of that, so it is asking you to basically find half of 28, which is 14. The next question, we've got 1 half and 1/5. They don't have the same denominator, and I can't multiply 2 to get to 5, so I have to times the two numbers together to find a common multiple, which is 10. I would then change my numerator, so for example 1 half, that would become 5/10 because 5 is exactly half of 10. And instead of 1/5, I would have 2/10 because I've multiplied 5 by 2 to get to 10. So I must multiply my numerator by 2 as well, which would give me 2. And then I just add them together, remembering not to add my denominators together. So 25. This one is slightly trickier because it deals with whole numbers as well. If you ignored the whole number and you did 3/4 and 3/4, you would find that you had 1 whole 1 and 1/4. And then you've still got 1 whole 1 from the first part, so then added together would give you 2 whole 1s and 1/4. So the next question, 6 take away 5.738, is a nice easy one really. You've just got to make sure that you are putting your numbers in the correct value for their place value. So you have got the 5 and the 6 should be on top of the 5. And if you can see from the working out, I have put a decimal point in there and 3 placeholders of 0 just to make my life a little bit easier. And then I've done a subtraction. The first one, 0 take away 8, I can't do. And the next value would also have been a 0, and so would the one after that. So I actually have to go all the way to my number 6 before I can find a value to exchange from. And then you carry across like that one. Okay, so for the next question, 3.9 multiplied by 30. I would do 3.9 multiplied by 3, as that is an easier one to times by. And then once you have solved that, multiply your answer by 10. Because if you were originally multiplying by 30 and then you changed it to multiply by 3, you've divided it by 10, so you must remember that whatever your answer is has to then be multiplied by 10. Moving on to the next one, we've got 1 whole 1 and 1/15 subtract 2/5. So for this one, I have turned my fractions both over the same denominator. So I've got 1 whole 1 and 1/15 subtract 6/15, because I would multiply 5 by 3 to get to 15. I've then multiplied 2 by 3 to get to 6. And then, as you can see down below, I have then converted my mixed number fraction, so 1 and 1/15, into 16 over 15, because I've got 1 whole lot of 15, that's 15, and then I've got 1/15 left over, so altogether that would make 16 15ths. So 16 15ths take away 6 15ths is 10 15ths. Moving on to 29, this one is a nice easy one and you get 2 marks for it as well because it's multiplied by a 2-digit number. I always tell my children to circle the 10, so they've circled the 8 in there to remind them they'll have to use a 0 when they're timesing by that one. So the first thing I've done is multiplied 5,413 by 6, which gives you the first number underneath. I then went back and multiplied that number again by 8, but remembered to put my 0 there because actually I'm multiplying by 8p, not just 8. So then I would go and multiply the other numbers and then find the absolute total. You would add the two numbers together, and that has given me 465,518. And moving on to the last one, 30, it's asking you to find 99% of 200, so I would have found 100% of that, which I've done here on my working out. 100% is 200, 10% is 20, as you can see you're dividing both sides by 10, and then to get to 1%, divide it by 10 again, which gives you 2, and then I would do 100%, take away 1%, so 200 take away 2, and that gives you the answer, 100%.